Another important step to make your home more energy efficient is to apply caulking around any cracks that may exist around your home. Hot weather can cause old caulking to crack, causing your home heating and cooling unit to work twice as hard to keep you comfortable. To reduce your energy usage, seal your home by caulking cracks around windows and doors. This seals the gaps between different types of materials around your home, surfaces like glass, metal, and wood. If your caulking is old and cracked, visit your local hardware store and purchase caulk softener to remove old caulking. Apply the softener 2 hours prior to pulling old caulk off with the use of a putty knife. Remove as much as possible so the new caulk will adhere well. Then apply the new caulk. For more information on how you can save money by making your home energy efficient, visit us online at alabamapower.com or visit your local community action agency.